Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Clearly. I'm Grace.
And I'm Alex. Thank you for joining us for today's episode.
If you're listening while walking, cooking, or relaxing, welcome.
Yes, make yourself comfortable. Because today's episode is warm, simple, and very practical.
We're talking about food, and more importantly, how to talk about food in English naturally.
Not perfect English,
Not complicated English.
but real English, the kind people actually use in daily life.
You know, Alex, food should be an easy topic for English learners.
But for many people, it's surprisingly difficult.
Exactly. Learners can talk about their job, their country, even their routine.
But when someone asks, "What's your favorite food?" everything stops.
Your mind goes quiet.
You know the answer, but the English words don't come out.
That happens because learners think they need the perfect answer.
But English isn't about perfection.
It's about connection. All right, Alex, let's show everyone how a real conversation sounds.
Okay, I'm ready.
Alex, what's your favorite food?
That's a risky question, but if I have to choose pizza,
I didn't expect anything else.
pizza is always there for you. Hot, cheesy, comforting.
What kind of pizza do you like?
Classic pizza. Tomato sauce, mozzarella, basil. Simple and perfect.
I like that you explained why.
That's the secret.
For me, my favorite food is sushi
Nice. Why sushi?
because it feels fresh and light, and every piece looks beautiful.
See, same question, different answers. And both sound natural.
Everyone listening, remember this rule.
Always add one reason when you talk about food.
Don't just say, my favorite food is pasta.
Say, my favorite food is pasta because it reminds me of home.
Let's practice together.
Repeat after us.
I love noodles because they're comforting.
I like spicy food because it wakes me up.
Perfect. That's real English.
Now let's talk about describing food.
Good news. You don't need difficult words.
Just a few simple adjectives.
Sweet, spicy, salty, crispy, creamy.
For example, I love ice cream because it's sweet and creamy.
I enjoy fried chicken because it's crispy on the outside.
Notice how easy that sounds.
And remember, your tone matters.
Smile when you speak.
People can hear confidence. Food is one of the best topics for small talk.
Especially when meeting someone new.
You can ask simple questions.
What kind of food do you like?
Do you like spicy food?
Let's act it out.
What kind of food do you like?
I really like noodles. What about you?
I love rice dishes. They're comforting.
And just like that, a conversation starts.
Now let's make your English more powerful.
Add a memory.
Food and memories go together.
For example, I love pizza because my family used to eat it together on weekends.
Or, soup reminds me of rainy evenings at home.
Stories help people feel closer to you.
Let's teach some everyday expressions.
First one, I'm a big fan of.
I'm a big fan of Italian food.
Second, I can't live without.
I can't live without tea in the morning.
Third, I'm craving.
I'm craving chocolate right now.
Repeat slowly with us.
Alex, have you ever eaten something you didn't like?
Yes, durian. One time was enough.
Instead of saying, I hate it, try this.
It's not really my thing.
I'm not a big fan of it. I tried it once, but it wasn't for me. Polite English sounds confident.
Now let's talk about restaurants.
Many learners feel nervous here.
But it's actually very simple.
The waiter asks, are you ready to order?
You say yes. I'd like the chicken, please.
Or, can I have the pasta?
Want changes?
Without onions, please.
With extra cheese.
Let's role play.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
Anything to drink?
Just water, thank you. Alex, what's your comfort food?
Chicken soup. My mom made it when I was sick.
That's so comforting. For me, it's warm rice with a fried egg.
Comfort food feels safe.
And sharing that builds connection. Let's learn a few useful words. Savory, tender, crunchy, fresh, rich.
Repeat after us.
Now try sentences.
This meat is tender.
These chips are crunchy.
Time for something fun.
Food idioms.
Piece of cake very easy.
Spill the beans. Tell a secret.
Have a lot on your plate very busy.
Repeat with us.
Learning English is like cooking.
Sometimes it burns,
Sometimes it's bland.
but every time you learn.
Mistakes add flavor.
Before we finish, here's your challenge.
Say this sentence out loud.
My favorite food is. Because.
Say it with confidence.
Thank you for spending time with us on Learn English Clearly.
Keep practicing. Keep speaking.
And keep your English warm.
Just like your favorite meal.
See you next time. Bye.